Hey guys, welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. Today we're going to be going over this amazing 1936 Chevrolet pickup truck. It's an all-steel body. It's got a 355 small block Chevy underneath the hood there. You've got upgrades like electric fan, 700 R4 transmission with overdrive, custom paint, custom interior done by New Creations, and a ton of other things that we'll go over in this video. But we'll start up front here like we always do, and we'll check out the chrome and the grille, your headlights. Everything on the exterior of this truck is like new. It looks like new and is very, very good condition. You've got the steel fenders here that look really cool. I just love the shape of these. You've got the open engine bay here showing off that freshly built 355 cubic inch small block Chevy. You've got the two carburetors there on top as well. And this thing is very, very well dialed in. You turn the key, it fires right up. You got an electric fan to keep everything nice and cool. You got some shorty headers there. You do have the suicide doors here. Another cool thing about this is the cab has been stretched on this truck, so you get a little bit of extra leg room here. But you have a little popper in here that you can hit, or you can use the key fob. You've got some nice billet mirrors as well. Justin, go ahead and check out that beautiful interior done by New Creations out of North Carolina. They did an awesome job on the interior on this truck. They're very well known for doing custom interiors, and this one is done very, very well. You also have a ragtop sunroof up top as well. So on those nice, beautiful spring and fall days, you can pull that back and go for a cruise, and just gives you an awesome feeling when driving this beautiful truck. The 355 V8 engine puts off an awesome sound. You also have a power seat there that Justin was just showing, so you can plug your phone up and charge it while you're driving this beautiful truck. But guys, there was a lot of thought process that went into building this truck, to extending the cab, adding the ragtop up top, and adding the wood bed. Another cool feature with the wood bed is the gas cap is hidden behind one of the wood slots. I'll demonstrate that right now. There's a switch here inside the cab that you can hit, and it goes right up like that. Put your gas in there, and then you close it right up. And this way it just keeps the bed nice and clean. You don't have like a billet cap inside the bed there that you got to look at. It just keeps everything nice and seamless. You do have some Boyd Coddington wheels on this truck as well. You have 4-piston Willwood brakes on all 4 corners. I mean, just an absolutely beautiful truck. The paint on this truck is a 10 out of 10. I mean, it's brand new and it looks near perfect. It is perfect, basically. I mean, I'm sure there's maybe one little tiny flaw here and there, but looks like a show truck, guys. It's a super nice truck. If you guys are interested in this truck, please give us a call at 770-738-7111. We do not see this one lasting long. We have it priced very well. To replicate this truck, you would easily be over $100,000, and we have this truck priced right under that. So if you guys are interested in this beautiful custom 36 Chevy, don't hesitate, give us a call. We can help you with financing and shipping as well. You can call me, Chris, or my partner, Justin. But guys, with that being said, we're gonna wrap up this video to keep it nice and short for you, but we'll catch you on the next one.